In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate and open Recorder app. Now click on this button at the bottom to start recording. Before that, you can click on this gear at the top on the left and operate all of those options however you want to. Then go back and start recording. As you can see, recording is on. If you wanna pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on Mark above the track whenever you wish. To add a photo mark, unpause your recording and tap on this icon of a camera. Then, if you never used it before, choose while using the app and click on it again, this time to take a picture. To discard it, use X, and to add it, click on the check mark. If you wanna change your language, click on Language here. Then tap on Yours. If you want to hide this option, AI speech recognition, use this X. Last but not least, to end your recording, click on the same middle button. As you can see, mine is here. To play it, click on it and tap on Allow. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom or click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then operate those options. You can also hold your recording here and access all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!